I'm going to show you how to add a workplace entry using your mobile phone. I've got Ethan over here stacking and storing some construction materials. So it's pretty simple. First thing you do is, while he's working, hop onto the MIBT website using Google Chrome. Log yourself in using your email address and your first name as your password. Now that you've logged in, we'll go to the course that Ethan's doing at the moment, which is his Cert 1, and we're going to add a workplace activity. To add an entry, simply press Add Entry, and if you've been on the same job, you can simply tick Same as Last. He's working on a domestic job, and at the moment, Ethan is handling construction materials, and he's manually handling, sorting and stacking, storing construction materials. I've taken a photo earlier of Ethan, of him on the job, and I'll also add one while he's working because we want at least 3 activities. So I will take a photo. Ethan, just give me a nice smile there, mate. Good boy. Keep working, champ. I'll use that photo and I'll simply now submit the entry. As you can see, the system submits it very, very quickly, and the 3 activity photos are there. It's pretty simple. So do them at least 3 every day, 5 a week. Every day, load up those workplace activities.